Welcome, guys. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for the support. And I have made some updates to the application, so I wanted to share this with you guys. So here's the code here, and I wanted to share. Make sure don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you share it. And here's the application. So I have I updated the register and the login. Now you're able to log in, you're able to register. So this is the new register. If you already have an account, you can actually log in. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me put in my password. So now I can see the panel. See, I can actually see the panel. I can actually, if I want to go ahead and create a new product, which is right here. So let me go ahead and create a new project. Let's go ahead and create a ASP.NET Core application. Let's just type in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And let's put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put down my name. Let's put down the list price is gonna be, let's put down 2,000. But if you buy the application, let's just say you want to buy for, you can get it for, let's put down $200. And if you order more, you can actually get it for $150. Uh, for 100, let's say you can get it for 100. And let's select oh, forgot to select category. I have to create a category. And you can actually select the image. Let me go, let me go images. Let's create this image. I don't think it's gonna let me do it because I don't have category. Yep, it says it should be between, oh, list price. See, I can actually, I'm using data annotations for the errors. So we can actually check. It might throw an error code here. Let me select the image here. Let me see. Let's say create. Yeah, it's gonna throw because I don't have let me go back over here. I still gotta fix this. I gotta create a category. Let me go back to the home page. Yeah, let's go create. So let's create a category first. Create a category. So let's create a one. It's going to be web applications. I want to be displayed to. Let's hit create. All right. So now we can go to the product. Let's go to the products here. Let's go input products. Still got it. So ASP.NET Core. Let's put down HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's put down the ASPN. Let's put down my name. Let's put down list price is gonna be 1,000. This is gonna be 500. 500. Let's make it 500. This one is gonna be 300. And over here, let's make it 200. And now I can actually select the category. Okay, cool. So now let me select the picture. Let me select a product here. Let me select that one. Create. Cool. Now I have that. So now if I go back to online store, see if you actually see it says here logged in. And if I can actually go to products, it says go to products. See right there. You can actually see the products. So it can actually show you the product there. Shows you there the product, shows you there that this is the main one there. It can actually, and you can actually select categories, which is pretty cool. So as more products I can upload, it will show more up here. And still gonna still got to change more stuff. Okay, so I can go back to the panel, and let's say I gotta fix this right here. Um, let's say I want to go ahead and let's say I want to go ahead and log out, and I want to go ahead and go back to see how that panel went away. So let me see. Let me go back. I'll show you guys how I did that. So let's want to go to the admin category. See, it's going to ask you to log in. So I still got to create managed order. The block, of course, you guys seen that already. So you can register. See, you can create an account and everything. So all of that, all of that will be over here. You guys will be able to get in the inside the repository here. And let me show you guys the code. So inside the areas here, I end up creating the identity. So if you want to go there into the identity, I implement that. So what I did is I right click that, I hit add, and it says new scaffold item. So you can click on that and you can go to where it says identity. And what you do is you click add. And let me show you guys how to get to that part. So it's going to take a little bit. It says sculpting, the sculpt build project. So I'm going to show you guys so then you want to go ahead and hit override all the files. I'm not going to do that right now because I already did it. And once you do that, then you have to select your data DB context. And I'm not going to do that anymore because I already did it. So that will implement, it's going to include all these files here, like the login, the register. So inside the login here, which is over here, inside the login, I didn't I didn't change anything there. What, but I end up changing the HTML so you guys can actually get it from there. So you guys can log in, and then the one for the register, that's the one I implemented some features on it, which is right here. So that's the whole entire HTML there. And here I implemented some more. The sign-in manager. I also implemented the role manager. So I have implemented all of that. So I added more properties here into the register. And then see, I added a list of role lists. And then here, I implemented this function here. So let me go over here. So I created a folder here. It's a helper folder. No, I'm sorry, not a helper. It's going to be a utility folder. And inside there, I created this class, which is it's for the roles. Roles for customer, roles for company, roles for the admin, and all of that. So all of that's going to be used. And that's what I implemented over here inside my login. And on top of that, inside my controllers. Now, if you try to access, if you're not registered, if you're not an admin, say now it says authorized roles. And I see if you're not an admin, you're not able to use you're not able to access my categories. So, so I implemented all this into the controllers. Yeah. So inside the program CS, which is right here, um, I implemented identity user and identity roles in there. So I implemented that. And this here too. So see if you're not logged in, it's gonna if you don't you're not authorized to access the page, like if you're not an admin, it's gonna throw you to this access denied. So you're gonna have to do that. And also here, I implemented app use authorization and authentication. So I implemented that. So, and that was it, guys, pretty much. So, and the CSS, so you'd be able to access all of that inside my repo. So this here is just an upgrade of the application, pretty much. Let me see, it's reloading. Yeah, so looking good. See, I even put the image. You can actually change the image. Of course, I will implement the Google and the Facebook. You can actually register. So all of that. And let me see what else. Manager. Um, Let me see that. Oh, let me show you guys something real fast. So here are my roles. I have one for the customer, one for the employee, one for the company, one for the admin. So I have created one for the admin. I think it's over here. Yeah. So see, this is the admin. This is the, but that is for my admin. Of course, the password you're not able to see it. So yeah, so everything. Let me see what else I have. I have products. Even the image is there. See the image. I have one for the products, which is right there. See, tells you there the price. It was the I was loaded by Martin. So I see it's getting saved into the back end. So let me go back over here. So yeah, so it's coming along. It's a slow process, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the videos and continue continue watching my videos, and don't forget to share them, don't forget to subscribe, and here in the channel, make sure you help out the channel grow, and stay tuned for more, stay coding. And if you guys want to, if you have any questions or anything, you can leave your comments on the bottom of the video, and I'll share the link. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Um, all right. Peace. Take care. Bye bye.